Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. Alright guys, so in today's video, let's talk about modern Victorian. As always, if you haven't gotten a chance to, head on over to facebook.com and join our group, And Then There Was Style. Hey, and I am also on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest at the same name. Alright guys, so take a moment and travel back to the past with me. Now as kids, most of us have had that, that one dream. We're in our beautiful castle and you're either a fair maiden or a strong prince or knight in shining armor. Remember those days? Now if any of this is sounding familiar, you are not alone because Victorian style home decor is making a huge comeback. Now in this video, we are going to really talk more about modern Victorian spaces. Now, so for the unenlightened or the uninitiated, modern Victorian spaces are exactly what they sound like. It's going to be homes or rooms that blend parts of the Victorian era with bits and pieces of modern day home decor style. So in a modern Victorian home, you can expect to see cement on the floors and chandeliers on the ceiling, or ornate mirrors mixed in with works of abstract art, right? Two very distinct styles that somehow come together and make one really awesome look for your home. So thanks to this really unique and unusual blend of aesthetics, modern Victorian spaces really manage to feel sleek as well as palatial at the same time. So when most people think of Victorian interior design, they think of outdated decor that is really formal and cluttered and honestly just super stuffy. However, the Victorian interior design style is actually really quite versatile. It could be adapted to fit pretty much any home. So whether you're looking to create a classic or a modern look, there are many ways to incorporate Victorian elements into your decor that you already have. Quick little tip for you, the Victorian interior design is basically a mix of several styles that were popular during the Victorian era and is still popular today. Now this period in British history lasted from about 1840 to 1900, and it's named for Queen Victoria, who was ruling during that time. This has been your history moment with And Then There Was Style. Sometimes it's good to have a little bit of the backstory about why something is named something, or why we look at something a certain way. Now a lot of people opt to just not have a Victorian style anymore. As I mentioned before, it's really formal. A lot of people think it's too ornate. It's just too much for the life that they live today, which is why pairing it with more modern pieces or a modern blend really works well for this style. You get a little bit of your frill, your ornamentation, and then you get a little bit of that sleek style that people love with a modern home decor. So, of course, let me give you a few tips if you want to bring this style into your home. So the first tip I would give you would be to pair old with new. So crafting a modern Victorian aesthetic is all about pairing newer pieces with more classic ones. So look for places in your home where you can do exactly that. Maybe think about putting an ornate marble fireplace with a really industrial looking lighting fixture, right? Two polar opposites there, but paired together really gives a specific vibe to your home. And it's a vibe that I am starting to love. I love the two pairings of these two distinct styles together. Tip number 2, splurge on a statement mirror. Now, it doesn't have to be expensive. You can definitely go to the Goodwill, Salvation Army, a thrift store, or just look in your attic and find one. But nothing sets the mood like a statement mirror. And if you're curating a modern Victorian space, a single ornate statement mirror can go a long way. So spring for a massive option and hang it above a more contemporary piece of furniture. So basically, if someone is looking at that space, their eyes immediately go from modern to Victorian or vice versa, but both styles will be right there within eye shot of them. Tip number 3, embrace fusion. Now, many modern Victorian home decor schemes are made up of Victorian pieces paired with more contemporary ones, pretty much like we've been talking about throughout this whole video. However, there is a less literal way to get in on the trend. So instead of combining items from different time periods, instead of having a Victorian style piece of art with a very modern contemporary chair, look for items that basically give allusion to two eras at once. Let me give you the perfect idea. The perfect idea is a freestanding tub, right? So that might suggest a Victorian silhouette. It reminds you of that Victorian era, but its sleek contemporary color palette feels much more modern. The same can be true of everything from marble floors to metal chandeliers and so much more.
So the last tip that I can give you is to add a chandelier to your space. No Victorian home is complete without an ornate chandelier. Adding one to your space is a complete way to make it feel more palatial. Now here's a quick tip. If your furniture feels more contemporary, consider opting for a more traditional chandelier. And if your home is already loaded with antiques, consider springing for a more contemporary lighting fixture instead.
Alrighty guys, so as we near the end of this video, take a moment, comment down below if any of these rooms stood out to you, or just let me know, would you have the modern Victorian home decor style in your home? Why or why not? Do you think this is a nice style? Do you think it's something that really won't be relevant in years to come? I am all ears. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite fusion of modern and Victorian style down below in the comment section. But if you want to know mine, it's this gorgeous room, because this room just really gave me everything I love, from the colors, the lighting, the natural elements with those plants, and I mean, everything about this room is just full of energy to me. I need this room in my home like right now.
As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.